Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using both Hetzner versus Contabo lately, mainly because I was looking for a solid hosting provider for some personal projects and a small client site. This included things like test environments, staging sites, and lightweight production setups. I wanted to see which one would give me the best performance, flexibility, and overall value without breaking the bank, especially for projects where hosting costs can creep up over time. So a quick overview. Hetzner is a well-known German provider, famous for reliability and solid performance, especially if you're running dedicated servers or cloud hosting that need to stay online consistently. Contabo, also German, is a bit younger and focuses on delivering high-value services with lots of options, like S3 compatible storage and flexible server setups that are useful for backups, media files, or store assets. Both aim at IT pros and small businesses, including developers and store owners, but their approaches are a little different in terms of pricing style and user experience. Jumping into hands-on experience with Hetzner, I tried their CX31 VPS for a few weeks. Setup was quick, and the server performance was consistently smooth, even under moderate traffic. I didn't notice any lag or downtime, which was impressive and important if you're running something customer-facing, like a Shopify-related app or back-end service. The interface is clean, but a little technical if you're new to server management, so there is a bit of a learning curve. What surprised me was their hourly billing for cloud servers. It's really flexible if you like spinning servers up and down for testing or short-term workloads, but you do need to keep an eye on costs if you run heavy workloads 24/7. Meanwhile, with Contabo, I spun up a VPS with extra RAM and their S3 compatible object storage. This was useful for things like backups, product images, or storing large files without relying on third-party services. The setup was straightforward, and I loved the fact that I could pay in US dollars instead of euros. It made things easier for me as I'm based in the US and prefer predictable billing. What stood out was the number of data center locations. I could host in Europe, US, or even Asia, which gave me lower latency for my clients overseas and faster load times for international visitors. That said, their interface feels a bit more DIY compared to Hetzner. You have to dig into some settings yourself, which is fine if you're comfortable learning as you go. Comparing the two, Hetzner really shines with rock-solid reliability, flexible billing, and a professional feel that inspires confidence. It's perfect if you care about performance and don't mind a slightly steeper learning curve, especially for critical systems. Contabo, in contrast, is great for those who want more value, more payment flexibility, and multiple locations. It's beginner-friendly, but still powerful if you want to scale as your projects or client base grows. If I had to pick personally, I'd go with Contabo for most projects because of the global server locations, easy setup, and cost-effectiveness, which makes it great for general-purpose hosting and experimentation. But for high-performance, mission-critical workloads, like anything that absolutely cannot afford downtime, Hetzner would still be my top choice. So that's my experience with Hetzner versus Contabo. Both solid options, just depending on what you value most: flexibility and value, or pure performance and reliability.